Hickton says the U.S. can't continue to prosecute out of problems.
We have 5% of the world's population and between 20 and 25% of the world's prisoners. And that's just an unacceptable ratio.
What stands out for me with Dave is his passion for his job and his commitment to the job.
He's very intense and he's very passionate, and he's constantly sounding the alarm with regard to the issues that he's passionate about. So if it's civil rights, whether or not it's heroin, opioids, or whether or not it's cybercrime, national security, you're going to be hearing from Dave, because he feels that he needs to keep advancing the ball forward for whoever the next U.S. attorney is going to be in his district.
He has a tremendous amount of confidence. Confidence not just obviously in his own abilities, but once he gets to know people and understands the ability of the investigators, the ability of the managers, is having that confidence in those folks to do their jobs, and he allows them to do their jobs.
And Dave, recognizing the issues that his community was facing, partnered up with a number of law enforcement folks, health professionals, educational experts to develop a strategy to deal with the heroin opioid abuse problem in Pittsburgh. That got noticed, and he was eventually asked to join and lead the National Heroin Task Force.
Whatever is needed to get the job done and primarily ensure that justice is served, we know we have that with Dave.
He's done a number of tremendous cases coming out of Pittsburgh in terms of Chinese military hackers trying to get a competitive advantage on different industries within the Pittsburgh area, dealing with a Russian organization that was basically using computers to operate a worldwide fraud scheme, and also hacking into computers and using ransomware to get financial profit from that activity.
He's one of those guys that I truly wish I could work with for the remainder of my career, because he's just a consummate professional. Been an absolute delight to work alongside for these last few years, and I truly consider him a good friend.
He's been presented with an opportunity to serve the United States in the capacity as U.S. Attorney, and he's very passionate about the work, and he recognizes that we all have a limited time frame in order to accomplish great things, and he's used that time to work and accomplish great things.